If you travel by plane, there is a very high chance you have flown on one of these two aircraft, the Airbus A320 or the Boeing 737. But which one is actually better? Which plane do airlines prefer, and why do pilots have different opinions? Today on AirbusHUB, we compare the Airbus A320 and the Boeing 737 in a simple and easy way. Both the Airbus A320 and the Boeing 737 are narrow-body passenger aircraft. They are mainly used for short and medium-haul flights, and usually carry around 150 to 180 passengers. You can see them everywhere: domestic flights, regional international routes, and even busy international airports. But their design philosophy is very different. The biggest difference starts inside the cockpit. The Airbus A320 uses fly-by-wire technology. This means computers help pilots control the aircraft. The side stick controller replaces the traditional control yoke, making the cockpit more modern and clean. The Boeing 737, on the other hand, uses a more traditional control system with a control yoke. Some pilots love the A320 for its automation and protection systems, while others prefer the 737 for its hands-on flying feel. Both aircraft are extremely safe and meet strict international safety standards. The Airbus A320's computer systems help prevent dangerous maneuvers and reduce pilot workload. The Boeing 737 gives pilots more direct control, which experienced pilots often enjoy. In reality, both planes are safe when operated correctly by trained crews. Airlines care a lot about operating cost. The Airbus A320 is known for fuel efficiency, lower maintenance cost, easy crew training across the A320 family. The Boeing 737 is popular because it has a long history. Many airlines already use it. It fits well into existing fleets. Choosing between them often depends on airline strategy, cost, and pilot availability. Globally, both aircraft families have thousands of planes flying every day. The Airbus A320 family has grown rapidly in recent years, while the Boeing 737 remains one of the most produced aircraft ever. In simple words, there is no single winner. Both planes dominate the skies. The Airbus A320 and Boeing 737 are the backbone of modern air travel. Different design, different philosophy, but the same mission: to safely carry millions of passengers every day. If you enjoyed this comparison, subscribe to AirbusHUB for more aviation videos. Thanks for watching.